I can make it home by myself.
Good morning, everybody, to day 2 of Camino Lebaniego. This can be a 2-day or a 3-day Camino. I'm doing it in 2, mainly because I couldn't find an albergue last night. Spent the night in the end in this little lovely farm village, which was very nice up in the hills, and now I've got about a 40k day to go today, so I've left a little bit earlier at 8:15. It's about an hour earlier than I would normally leave, to give myself a bit of a chance to also see the famous monastery, which of course for Camino Lebaniego is it's like the cathedral in Santander for this Camino. So have a chance to have a bit of a look round, and then I'm carrying on about another 6 or 7k past the end of that onto the Vaduniense. So at least I've got a bit of a head start for tomorrow, but today's going to hurt for sure. It's going right the way up and over some mountains again. Hey, I think it stopped raining though, so hooray!
Thinking back, trying to make out where we went wrong. I've got this feeling inside that you got yours, I've got mine. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright. What do you want from me? Ooh, what do you want from me? Ooh, you know it's been tough for me. It's like I'm in agony every time I see you. I wonder what's left of me. Ooh, or maybe this is the death of me. Yeah, it's in my history. This is the best of me. Here is the rest of me. Yeah.
Well, that was without a doubt the toughest hill of any Camino I've done so far. Technical, it was slimy, to use the new German word I've discovered, Schlamm, and wow,
Maybe this is the death of me, yeah. It's in my history. This is the best of me. Here is the rest of me, yeah. Maybe I shouldn't call you, I want you, I love you.
I'm at the top, I think, of the second mountain now. I've only done 20k. I've got to do 40k today, and I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know if it's a calorie deficit, the fact that I can't get my coffee, it's just nowhere open. It's beautifully isolated, but my legs are hurting. Yes, this would make a nice 3-day Camino rather than 2, I think. Or maybe just somebody that's got more energy than me. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I don't normally feel like this, but I'll soldier on. That is real. Isn't that beautiful? It always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a life. Well, good morning, everybody, from a tiny little hamlet called Cabanes. I listened to myself yesterday in one of the bits where I was talking about how suddenly exhausted and tired I felt. I said, really, this would be better as a 3-day Camino rather than 2 really long days. And at the point I'd already done about 25k over 2 mountains, I thought, why am I not listening to myself? And I passed a little albergue and thought, that'll do, I'm staying here.
same. 'Cause I've loved you for